Section 7. The Audi Q8, the epitome of style and substance. The Audi Q8 is a stylish and sporty SUV that sits at the top of Audi's SUV lineup. It combines the practicality of an SUV with the sleek design of a coupe. The Q8 is a statement-making vehicle that turns heads wherever it goes. The Q8 offers a powerful engine and a sport-tuned suspension. This delivers exhilarating performance. The Q8 also comes standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system. This ensures confident handling in all conditions. Inside, the Q8 is luxurious and tech-laden. It features a driver-focused cockpit with the virtual cockpit and the MMI infotainment system. The Q8 offers a premium driving experience that is both engaging and refined. Section 8. Safety first. Audi's unwavering commitment. Audi takes safety seriously, ensuring that every journey is as safe as possible. Their SUVs are equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features. This includes advanced airbags that deploy in milliseconds, electronic stability control to keep the vehicle steady, and a rear-view camera that provides a clear view of what's behind you. Audi also offers a variety of driver assistance systems designed to make driving easier and safer. These systems help prevent accidents and protect occupants by constantly monitoring the surroundings and reacting to potential hazards. These features include Audi Presense City, a cutting-edge technology. This system warns the driver about pedestrians and cyclists, ensuring that vulnerable road users are always in sight. It can even apply the brakes automatically to avoid a collision, providing an extra layer of safety. Adaptive cruise control is another standout feature. This system maintains a set distance from the car in front, even in traffic, making long drives less stressful. Lane departure warning. This system alerts the driver if the vehicle starts to drift out of its lane, helping to prevent unintentional lane changes. These safety features give Audi drivers peace of mind, knowing that they have advanced technology working to keep them safe. They know they are protected on the road, allowing them to focus on enjoying the drive and spending quality time with their loved ones.